Yo, got a 2011 Tahoe in here. This thing's making some noise going over bumps. They claim it's on the right side, on the rear. I shook this thing down, moved the calipers around and stuff, made sure they're all tight, and the brake pads in here are all tight, and checked the sway bar links. I pulled on them with a pry bar real good. They're nice and tight. Everything looks good under here except this sway bar bushing. Well, normally you get a flashlight and you look up in here, and if you can see daylight like I can in between this sway bar and the bushing, that's normally going to be your guilty culprit. Just a stupid little noise. You can see there's a little gap here. And yeah, I shine a flashlight in here, and when there's no light shining in there, you can see it real easy. There's a good gap in there. So yeah, when you're going down the road and this sway bar is all bouncing around, it can make noise. They say it only makes noise once in a while too, so it's got to hit it just right. Good, cheap, easy fix. Show you how to do this. These are 10 millimeters. Sometimes I loosen one side up. Loosen that side up just so I can get this bushing out. No, that ain't rubber. That's poly. Oh, I wish it was rubber. These are kind of fun. They're usually really stiff because they're not rubber. So you got to find a way to pry them open. I stick this tool in here just to kind of stretch it out a little bit. That kind of helps. Stick that on like that. Doesn't matter which way it goes. I'm going to start this side and leave it a little loose. I'm sure if you got a big snap ring pliers or something, that might work too. Yeah, if you're worried about over torquing these, you can always put them on by hand. I always start them by hand, and there's enough room up here. This metal isn't really thick, so there's not a whole lot of threads on here. So if they do strip out, you can always put a nut on the top of here, and that'll get it really tight. But they're fine, and that's good, and that stuff's tight, so it shouldn't make any more noise. Okay, bye.